Hey YouTube, hey, this is our Panda Dryer, and we love it. It's been great. But sometimes it makes this noise, and then after a while it'll go away, and then it'll come back. We assume it's the belt, but the fact that the noise goes away means that if we were to disassemble it and quote get it back on its track, who's to say it would not jump off its track again and start making this noise again, considering it seems to sort of self-heal itself after some amount of time. We love it. It's been great. I mean, we can get over the noise. I mean, even like right now, it's kind of getting quiet, isn't it? I mean, but there it goes again. So anyway, if anyone has any ideas, let us know. And thanks for watching.